Alright, what is going on, guys? I'm here on Animal Crossings. Not a typical video for me, I know. I play a good amount of Animal Crossing, but today we have a villager gone. And I see a lot of people on YouTube doing villager hunts, and I think they're fun. And I think I would enjoy that. I will show you. Let's look at my map here for a second. So I have Louie and Phoebe. Those were my first two. I think I'm gonna keep those. A lot of people don't like Louie, but I kind of like Louie. He's kind of like me, big meathead. And then we have Phoebe and Apple. I'm probably gonna get rid of her. Lolly is probably my favorite. And then I'm gonna get rid of these others on the right. But I had Bertha. Bertha moved out. So we will take this opportunity to... Oh, hello. Cool. Pleased reaction. She's my favorite. I gave her that dress, and I'm gonna be honest, I've been looking for a sweater for her. She, like, her original sweater is probably the best. And I've been looking for a sweater this whole freaking time for her. Because I messed up and gave her that dress one day. She's like, I'll wear it. But I have 22 Nook Miles tickets. Hopefully that's enough. I really do hope it's enough. Let's get today started. Who am I looking for? Let's see. I think I'd take Goldie. For those of you who don't know, I have a golden retriever, and she is adorable. She's actually sitting right behind me. So I would probably take Goldie. I don't know. I'd probably take Stitches. I'm not like one for the whole Dreamie cast, so like I'll see who I get on these. I would probably take Stitches, and then I guess we'll find out. I don't know. There's like 360, I think, Animal Crossing villagers, and I don't know a whole lot. I've watched, like I said, a lot of these videos where they're hunting for them. So I guess we'll find out. Okay. See what we can find on this island. I think it's all the way on the top on this island. The heck's walking around? An octopus. Octavian. Gotta get my list back open. I have a list of like what their personalities. He's cranky. I don't think I want a cranky villager. Hobnobbin. Where do they come up with this stuff? I don't think I want a cranky villager, so that's probably gonna be a no for me. Ooh, I don't have. I'm also probably gonna be picking up as many DIYs as I can. I have a good amount, but never have enough. Already have that. Bummer. Alright, next island. Alright, island number 2. Oh, it's Money Rock Island. Oh my god. Raymond. On my second island. What's Raymond ranked? Raymond is ranked number 2. I already have a cat. I don't know. It's so hard to pass these guys up, though. I don't really get the hype of Raymond, though. I might like Stitches is adorable. Coco, I could see why people like. Ketchup, adorable. Eric, adorable. That's rough. Second island, and I got Raymond. I might have to take it. Should I keep going? Alright, you guys are probably gonna hate me, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. I already have Cat. Raymond's cool and all, but I think I would want probably Bitches or Fauna or someone like that. If it's Ketchup, I'd probably take Ketchup. Ketchup is also adorable. Alright, third island. See who we get. I can see why people that do this always complain, like, why don't they have, which is true, why don't they just have like a option to travel again from Wilbur? I don't know, but also gonna grab this. Need a T-Rex head for the outside of my museum, so please. There goes my shovel. Alright, find out who is on this island. I think it's on this side. Might be completely wrong. Oh, it's up here. Who is that? Guess I'll go talk to her. I guess. I'm probably not going to take her. Just being honest. I'm not a fan of the frogs. GG. Okay, well, bye. I'm going to leave you here. Okay, 5th island. We are here. Don't know who that is. I'm not very good with the villagers. Who are you? Lionel. Yep. I'm gonna pass on that as well. What is in the... Oh. There's two fish next to each other and it looked like a butterfly in there. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna pass on him. The bottle's sweet. We will move on to the next island. Lost track. Island number 6, I think? Let me check, hold on. I have... No, island number 5. Gotta be island number 5. And it's an alligator. I don't know why I picked that up. And that's not it either. Who are you? Alfonso. I might have to pass on Alfonso. I'm not a big fan of the alligators. He is kind of a good looking alligator though. Most of the alligators, they just made very ugly. I don't know. He's a good looking guy, but I think I'm gonna pass. Island number 6. Here we go. Did that last time. This one actually is 6 though, I promise. What is up there? Chicken of some sorts, looks like. I'm gonna talk to you, but I'm not gonna take you. Sorry. Eva. I don't like the chickens either. I'm kind of picky. I got Knox, which, first of all, if I had to choose the ugliest chicken around, that would be it. He's got a bunch of knight armor on. I don't know if he's supposed to be like a special villager. He's special, alright, actually. I'll take that back. He's very special. Is there any DIYs? I'm gonna have like 17 bottles by the end of this. Oh, okay. Alright, next island. Alright, island number 7. See who is on this island. Spiral Island. Another frog. Who are you? Huck. Man, I'm starting to think I should have taken Raymond. probably gonna have comments saying you should have took Raymond, screaming at me. Raymond's I like Lolly so much better. I don't know why everyone's hype about Raymond. Maybe it's just because of his smug personality, but Lolly is my favorite cat. Change my mind. You can't. That's the point. You can't change my mind. All right, moving on. New island. Island number 8 coming in. Jitters. Probably not gonna take you either. His eyes look super cracked out. Did you see that? I had a bird a long time ago. What's his name? Anchovy? I think his name is Anchovy. And I got rid of him too. Kind of ruthless like that, you know. Like Apple, never probably getting rid of because Apple's the best. I still like Louie. I don't know why everyone like. I checked the tier list or whatever for like the villagers you guys like in general as like the population, and Louie is way down there. I think my lowest villager is the anteater, the blue one. I can't remember his name. That's how much I don't like him. But Louie's way down there, and I was like, what the hell? But I guess a lot of people don't like jock personalities because it turns their whole island into a lifting session, which it does. Don't get me wrong. All right, island number 9. I gotta go all the way up again, don't I? Who are you? Judy? I think she's pretty high in the tier list too. What do you mean? What she said? Let's check. Let's check tier. She is number 5 on the list completely. Bear cub. And she is adorable. The best. Big fan of her. Like people like Dom. I don't like Dom. You are freaking cute. I say that in the most sincere way, lady, but I'm gonna probably leave you. I have a lot of pissed off comments. Alright, island number 11 coming in. I believe it is, what, up here? It's you again. Same guy? It is the same guy. Bro, twice in a row, I'm gonna tell you, I ain't taking you, okay? I'm leaving you here. Alright, we're gonna leave him here. I'm not taking him again. Again, as in, like, he was, what, the first one I found? Time to go. Okay, island number 12. I think, actually, I will move. Oh, I didn't have to. It took the random, too. Island number 12 is... Fences kill me. That looks like a really old wolf. Which I'm sure... it is. Hold on, let me do a little looking here. Name is Dobby? 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 Fucking from Harry Potter? Dobby? He is cranky. Well, he's probably a cranky old wolf. I'm half tempted to take this guy. He looks pretty cool. I'm gonna leave you. Sorry. Sorry, old man. I like the wolves. Another message in a bottle. I kind of have my heart set on someone else. As in, like, I don't know. I like Fauna. I'd take Fang, maybe. Like, scrolling through a list right now. Alright, we'll move on. Okay, on number 13. I don't have many tickets left, so hopefully. Campfire's right there. You a duck or you're a bird? Midgie? I don't think I'm gonna take you. Is it Midge? Midgie? It's spelled like bridge, but an M. I think I'm gonna leave you here. Man. I also haven't gotten Hybrid Island yet, so I'm kind of banking on getting that too. Another bottle. Sweet. Alright. I'm gonna leave you here. We'll move on to another island. Alright, island number 14. I was gonna say, I literally just said this. Coming in. See who we get. Kangaroo. Are you punchy? Bonnie. Yeah, I'm leaving you here. You sound grumpy. I'm gonna leave him here. You know what I didn't notice? That their voices match their personalities. That took me a long time to realize, I guess. Because like the deeper voiced people are usually the what, cranky ones, or alright, we'll move on. Alright, island number 15. Spiral Island. You... Oh, I am definitely leaving you, Rocket. I think Louie is the only gorilla I would take and keep because he looks like a normal gorilla. Like he's just a basic gorilla. I'm leaving you here, Rocket. Sorry. You're not who I want. Alright, island number 16. Is that right? I really shouldn't have this much issues doing this. Yes, that's right. Island number 16. Let's go find who's over here. Am I going the wrong way? Oh no, I'm not. Who are you? Robert? I just don't like the frogs. I'm gonna leave you. Sorry. Not sorry. Oh, look at his teeth too. It's kind of adorable, not gonna lie. I'm not a fan of the frogs. Really not. Okay, I think if I get Raymond again, I will probably take him. The chances of that are very slim. I should have just probably taken him, but what would be the purpose of this video if I took Raymond, you know? Because we only got, what, this will be island number 17, so we only have 5 more tickets. We're getting pretty slim. I think I have enough for an extra ticket though, so worst case scenario, we'll have one more chance at the end. Just one. So we'll see. And I kind of have to fill the slot because I don't want a random villager coming in. Oh. I'm probably gonna leave you. Genji. Yeah, I'm leaving you. Leaving you. Okay, next island. Mr. Tree Island. There's a fire here somewhere. Oh, you are a cool crocodile. Alright, hold on. I might take him. let me see his personality first, though. Well, on this list is like, oh yeah, he is in tier 5. He's a jock. But I don't want any more jocks, though. Okay, I gotta leave you. I'm sorry, bud. He's so freaking cool, though. Look at his camo. I gotta leave him. I can't take any more jocks. There's already... And I agree with this, because Louis is the jock on my island. There are way too many lifting sessions going on, alright? Don't get me wrong. I like a good lifting session, but... every hour of the day? Can't do it. I'm sorry, Sly. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Alright. Okay, move on. Alright, I think island number... 19? How many tickets do I have left? 3? Island number 19. Oh, you guys are gonna hate me. Meringue, why? Why do you do this to me? Isn't she like 11? No, she's 16 on the list. Like I said, I'm not into going off of the Dreamie. She's a... I'm gonna leave her. I know I only have 4 tickets left, and this is ballsy moves. But I'm gonna do it, alright? Gonna do it. That was like... almost... well, I don't know what you'd consider... I guess the Dreamies are like the top 15, aren't they? Almost 3 Dreamies in 1 video. And I let them all go. Alright, island number 20. I don't know why I thought the camp was over there. Campfire is up here, I think. Grab this. Who is here? Oh, I'm leaving you. Sherry. Bye. What kind of feet are those? What are those? Alright. 2 more tickets left. Here we go. Island number 21. Pew pew pew. Oh no. Dottie. She's kind of adorable. Let's see where she's at. And her personality. I think her personality is fine. Like I said, I don't really care. I just wanted Goldie. Ketchup. Probably Goldie. Over ketchup. Alright, moving on. Well, that was a very uneventful journey. I could have taken Raymond. The second ticket I had, I did not mean to pick that up. And I didn't. Screwed the pooch. Big time on that one. And then I could have had another Dreamie. But, like I said, I'm not really for the Dreamies. I'm not going for Dreamie villagers. I'm going for who I wanted. And, you know, sometimes it just doesn't work out in your favor. Alright, well, I guess that is the end of the video. Not much I can do. I'll have to eventually. I will show you who I got down the road, probably in another video, and then we'll probably do more of these. I enjoyed. Well, I enjoyed recording it. I don't know how much fun it will be to edit, but Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys being here, supporting me in what I do. Here's to hoping I get someone I like in my campsite. Alright, peace.